After that, it's on to CPI tomorrow morning. It's on to the Fed. It's on to the ECB. It's on to the BOJ. Mike McKee, busy week ahead.
It's a very busy week, John, and I would say today's a good day to stretch those trading fingers. Get yourself ready for the next 4 days because it's going to be kind of crazy out there. We do start tomorrow with CPI, 8:30 New York time. That is going to be maybe definitive for the Fed. We'll have to see. The CPI is usually well forecast by economists, and they do think it is going to come down some. So a lot will depend on whether they're accurate or not. We also get the NFIB small business numbers, and we'll see what they say about business and about credit, whether they're having any problems with banks. On Wednesday, of course, is the Fed meeting and the PPI. Thursday, the ECB steps in, and there's a lot of talk about the People's Bank of China cutting rates on Thursday. Only a little bit, but it would shake up the global idea of continuing rate rises. Retail sales in the United States, jobless claims, and several other indicators. Thursday's a really big day for a lot of numbers. Friday, we get the Bank of Japan. Will there be any hint about ending yield curve control? Also, the University of Michigan numbers here. I want to go back to the CPI for just a second. You can see what's going to happen tomorrow. Base effects. A year ago at this time, CPI was really, really high, reached its peak, and now it's come down, which means it would take a lot more to push it up, which is why analysts think that we are going to see a drop in the year-over-year numbers. If not, maybe the folks at the Wall Street Journal get that phone call from Jay Powell to hint at what's going on. Leaves us all with this, John. Friday questions. What's next for the Fed? Have they raised? Have they skipped? Are they signaling a pause? And what are the odds of a U.S. recession? We get a lot of U.S. data this week. Any sign of a rate pause from the ECB? There are questions about how far they want to go. And then does the BOJ, as I said, signal a retreat from yield curve control? The odds are, according to economists, they don't. But just imagine having to deal with that on Friday morning after everything else that we have gone through.
What a week coming up. Mike McKee.